Hi, and welcome back to Down the Shed with me, Jason. In the background, Fox 11 LA. They've got a million police car standoff with one homeless dude. Damn. Right, so we're going to do experiment 30, the siren. We're skipping experiment 29 because it's pretty much the same as 28. 28 was the alarm, 29 is Morse code. We all know what Morse code is. A rather ancient and outdated concept, but probably still has its place. I don't know where. So, connecting the wires according to the checklist, press a switch, it makes a siren sound. That would be what I was considering.
Trying to let people back into the parking lot because,
bearing in mind it's called the siren.
Never mind.
You saw earlier how you could change the frequency pitch of the oscillator by changing the oscillator's resistance. Well, this is basically the same oscillator circuit you've been using, except that now we are electronically varying the oscillator's resistance. The large 1 ohm resistor and 10 UF capacitor cause the base voltage and hence base current on transistor NPN1 to rise slowly. As the base current slowly increases, NPN1 collector current also increases slowly, though it is always much higher than the base current. Hello, Sherlock Holmes. NPN1 is now limiting the current just as a resistor does. Similar effects occur after you release the switch and the 10 UF slowly discharges. If you like, you can make the sound louder, move wire from spring 18 to spring 40 and add a wire from spring 41 to spring 18. So of course we are going to do that. Sherlock Holmes, Daddy's busy. Kiss? Kissy? You love your daddy? You love him? Oh, kissy for daddy, good boy. Right, you got your own YouTube channel, so stop hogging mine. Go on your bed. On your bed. Oh, he wants his channel and mine. So at 5 to 21, 6 to 22, they will be speakers to the transformery, even.
Enough, we should leave.
5, 21.
Probably about an hour.
6 to 22.
Oh, really? We're good? Wow, okay. Yeah.
25 to 39. Which is transformer.
I think we're the... No, we got somebody else to stay there.
470 ohm resistor. 38 to 19. So the collector of the transistor to the other side of the 470 ohm resistor. (23 to 32). Which is the transformer.
Yeah, the food court's like right over there.
To 0.047 UF capacitor.
Yeah, they got Coke now. Yeah, and a piece of pizza. And the good hack is, oh, did he close the door?
18 to 33.
Oh, maybe he's getting cold.
Which is the base of the NPN. It says NPN2, and in the book it says NPN1. Perhaps we're using 2. Oh, we are using 2. Right, 18 to 33, which is the other side of the ceramic capacitor. 33 to 44, which will be a resistor. 10k. We don't need that big bugger. We only want a little one. 33, 44. So again, when you get more than one number in an instruction, 18 to 33, 33 to 44, that's connect 18 to 33 and then 33 to 44. It's like a little series.
Kyle, it's all his. Kyle, it's all yours, buddy. Handle it.
45 to 17, which is the other side of the 10k. Up to the emitter of NPN1. 15 to 34, 34 to 53. 15 to 34, which is base of NPN1, to the positive of the electrolytic 10 UF capacitor. 34 to 53. We'll go with a longer wire. Oh, we'll see what we got. 34, 53. Yeah, it's 1 ohm. We did equate such a long one, but we'll go with it. 34 to 53, 54 to 55. Well, that's going to be a tiny one. 54, which goes to switch. 55, 35, 26, 26 to 20. Let's see how this is the negative of the 10 UF capacitor. 35 to 26, which is battery negative. 26 to 20. Dog, you stink. Which is the emitter of NPN2. Oh, it's come out. Get back in. God, when my dog cuts one loose, you really know about it. Right, so we got a longy one now, 16 to 24, which is the collector of NPN1. 24 is transformer. 24 to 27. Okay then. Which is positive of the battery. 27 to 56, which is the switch. So let's connect the battery and activate the switch. God, it's more like an American fire truck. I'm going to bring that up to the... Probably way louder on the camera, because the last project I did, which was really quiet, was way louder on the camera. It's a really slow drop as well. So let's go back. Move the wire from 18 to 40. So that'll be the trans NPN2. 18 to 40, which is a 1K resistor, and then obviously we're going to replace that with 40 to 18. 41, sorry, to 18. So now we'll see what happens. It should increase the volume. It's still going down. So let's try changing the 10 UF for 100 UF. Oh, it's gone to wet fart. That don't work. That capacitor is still dropping. Oh, it sounds so like an American fire truck. You listen to an American fire truck on YouTube, it's wee 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 wee. Don't know why American fire trucks still use air raid warning sirens, but there you go. So let's try changing the small capacitor for the smaller capacitor and see what happens. Because without trial and error in these experiments, you don't know. Oh, that goes so the bat can hear it. I'm surprised my dog isn't crying blood. So the 1K resistor made it louder. So what will the 470 ohm resistor? That's already in connection. So let's try the 3.3K. See if we can get even more volume. Wow. Let's go for 33K. Let's see if we can really knock this out of the park. See if we can wind it down totally. Takes ages to come down. But anyway, that's experiment 30, the siren, which is doing my head in now. We only did this one for the fun of a siren. As you can see though, it does rely, it's not a case of it's down to you opening up the circuit so it's high and then letting it pull. Again, like the American fire truck. Let's see if we can get an American fire truck siren just for an example. There we go, there you can hear it. There you can hear it there. Oh, that bloke on the zebra crossing nearly got wiped out. So there we have it. The siren. Our next experiment, should I choose to do it, will be electronic rain. Here sound like raindrops. Yeah, why not? So let's get some editing done. Have a good one. See you in the next video.